Hello, come in. We got a donkey Stomper 150MV-HG-2pill-1446. This is a box. It's second owner here. I sold it new, and the guy I sold it to sold it again. And the other guy that bought it was one of my customers, and he was having trouble with it, so we retuned it and went all the way through it. Forward, 5-watt forward radio drive. You know the drill. 1, 2, 1, 2. 4 watts. Reverse, 1, 2, 1, 2. Straight through SWR. 1, 2, 1, 2. Turn him on. We look at the reflect power. Radio drive. 1, 2, 1, 2. Less than half a watt. This is your input SWR. In other words, this is the SWR on the radio. 1, 2, 1, 2. You should just barely moves. Radio, SWR. 1,000 watt slug, average power. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, average, 100 watts. Peak, 1,000 watt slug. 15.5 radio drive. 1, 2, 3, hello. Man, I gained 100 watts. This thing coming out was doing 2, and I got you 100, actually about 110 more. Donkey Stomper, 1446, 1446. It don't matter what volts or what radio you're on, it's doing 100 more than what it was when it come in. You send it in. 1, 2. There's your drive. 1, 2, 1, 2. Look at this other meter. 1, 2, 1, 2. 500 slug. 1, 2, 1, 2. 300. 1, 2, 1, 2. 300. But turn the PVP kits off before I forget. But she's good to go, and we got you all fixed up, man, and on this thing, and I just want to see what you're doing here. Cheeseburger. I've been testing my a little longer here lately, just to make sure they're good to go. Cheeseburger. Donkey Stomper, cheeseburger. She's all fixed up, man. She's not even warm. We'll get her back to you. Like I said, man, I know you're the second owner, but she did have a little tuning problem. You cover freight. You send it to me, you cover freight back, and we'll be good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis. Bye.